Come on, let me show you what I got. What we got. Cause it's fairly easy. Dodge Journey. Well, we about to. Yes, it is. I got one. We about to help this car.
I love working.
Last a little while longer. That's a trans filter.
We're doing another one.
Yeah, you remember how you dropped the pan and
Yes, sir.
we're gonna help to inject this last a little longer. Ooh, spark plugs. Yeah, we're gonna try to bring this vehicle back to its peak performance. There's no gasket on the pan, so we're using a Mopar RTV. All right, take the pan down and clean it off and put it on. Of course, we got 5 of these. This is a 41 TE. So.
What's this? This an 8-speed or what?
There ain't no 8-speed. It's a little bitty 4-cylinder.
Nah,
I just showed you 4 plugs. That means it's a 4-cylinder. You ever seen an 8-speed and a 4-cylinder?
No.
Right. Hey, you know what this is?
What is it, VVT?
Yeah.
This
It's a sensor, but can't nobody just hand you something and say, what is this? You can't hand me something and say what it is. I can say it looked like a crank sensor.
Is that what
it's
it
a
is?
crank sensor. So you can find out where it's located by virtue of finding out what it do. If you know what it do, you can find out where it live.
Yeah.
That's the best way to find out where a sensor live. Understanding what it do.
Yeah. Because the crank, it measures the cams, right?
No, the crank sensor tells the computer the position of the crankshaft. That's needed for timing.
Right.
Top dead center, all that good stuff. Yeah, so all right, that ought to hold him for a couple hours. In the meantime, I'm gonna go dry this baby. She said it's overheating. I see cooling all down there. I've topped it off, and I want to see if it's exhibit high pressure buildup. Okay, pressure tested already. I don't know what happened, but I'm finna go drive it. I'm taking my cell phone, my jump box, and some water. Okay, some pliers. You just never know what happened on a test drive, so I act accordingly. It's a high mileage car. It was overheating. It undid everything on it. I know what that leads to, but I don't want to speculate. So first of all, I want to try to duplicate it. I have to get it to overheat in order to tell what's wrong with it. It's nothing like trying to figure out why your car is doing something and you not be able to get it to do it. You don't know what you're fixing at that point, right? Right. So it's just hard too. So I got to duplicate it. When I duplicate it, like say if I'm on the road and it overheat, I'm gonna jump out. I'm gonna grab this upper hose and I'm gonna grab this lower hose. You know what I'm gonna do? Compare the temperature. If one is colder or warmer or hotter than the other, yeah, we got a discrepancy going on. We could have a restriction. That's why test driving is crucial. Duplicating the concern is crucial. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just that. Let me go test drive this thing, guys. I'm done. Thanks for watching.